All right, let's look at an example of how to find a reference angle. This first one says of negative 19 pi over 6. So the first thing I would do is I would figure out what that is in degrees, because that's kind of a hard one to do in radians. So I multiply by 180 over pi. So that would give you negative 19 6 times 180. Well, we can actually cancel out 6 and 180. That'll leave us 30. So this is essentially just negative 19 times 30, which would be negative 570 degrees. So remember, the reference angle is the acute angle, so the small angle between the last ray, the terminal ray, and the x-axis. So if we graph it, it's negative, so it's going to go backwards. So there's a whole 360, because it's over 360. So I've gone 360, I have to go 210 degrees more. So there's 180. So this would be somewhere here. So here is my last ray. Now the trick is, the reference angle is going to be the angle between that last ray that we just drew and the x-axis. So it's right here. Sometimes we call it theta prime or theta reference. So theta prime in this case, if I want to think about it, it's this angle here. Well, remember I had 210 once I did my first 360, so if we have 180, that means there has to be 30 left. So this reference angle is 30. And if you want to go to radians, then 30 is pi over 6. So the reference angle is pi over 6.